everybody. This is part 3 of my Chatty vlog, or having our conversation. Yeah, so my battery was low, so that's why I couldn't continue. But nonetheless, so I went to Mariano's, and then I went to Bath and Body Works. So from Mariano's, I got everything, and I'm so proud of myself. Although I stayed longer than I wanted to outdoors, I'm so proud of myself. I basically got everything I set out to get, except for the toothbrushes. I'll just run and get those tomorrow at Walmart. I just could not do Walmart, and they didn't have them at Dollar Tree. So check out not my ignorance. I just don't get out much. So of course you guys know this sriracha sauce has been out forever. So that zesty that I was talking about, okay. So the zesty that I was talking about is actually, I guess, sriracha, because I saw another one and it was zesty. You know, it said, it had the description on it. I said, oh, this not horseradish, the taste that I'm looking for. This is it right here. So, sriracha been out forever, but I've never tasted it under the name sriracha, only under zesty at Burger King. So I know it's been forever. I know, guys. I'm catching up. So this, I didn't taste it, but I'm just assuming and believing that this is the sauce right here. So I just picked up some Bubba burgers. They were on sale for about $7 or $8 or whatever, and there's 8 in there, so whatever. So this was the turkey one, and so I got the sriracha. I got 4 Roma tomatoes. I got the garlic I went for. This is going to be for someone, but it's also going to be for planting. I'm going to use this to plant, using a garden to plant those. And I saw these, the real deal elephant garlic cloves, and I had them in my cart, but I didn't mean really to buy them. But since they were still in my cart by the time I was in the checkout, I just went on and got those. So I got this one and this one as well. Look how humongous this clove is, guys. Look at this clove. So these are big. And then I've got some more sesame oil. This is a different brand from the last one. And I got this liquid smoke. Now the store that in our neighborhood, one of the grocery stores that's in our neighborhood, this is like $8. I can't remember. Let me not lie, but it's expensive. I picked this up for under $2, and there was somebody on somebody's channel, on another channel, because they were talking about making jollof rice with this. And somebody was in Canada, couldn't find it, blah, blah, blah. And I was telling them where they should look in their stores, because their store actually has it. They just probably don't know that the store has it, and the store probably don't know that they have it either. But she was telling me how much it costs in her store and whatever. And I wish I could find this lady again, because I would surely send these to her. These were under $2 for this liquid smoke. And you guys know, I don't know how much it costs in your store, but the store that I normally see it in, it's expensive. So that is all. Well, I got some buns too, but and then at Dollar Tree, I stopped at Dollar Tree too, of course, and I just picked this up because sometimes you need that bleach. I don't use bleach often, but I do have to use it for some things every now and again, and it's definitely good for mold. So just picked up this little spring fragrance, in quotes, and some other items. So I'm going to get my items together, put together my little love packages, and send them out. So I thank you all for rolling with me, for vlogging with me, for riding with me. Oh, and then I also got, because I'm getting ready to make me a lovely antioxidant. So I got frozen blueberries, and a frozen berry blend. Mixed berries, strawberry, raspberry, and blackberries. So I'm just getting ready to put this together and probably have Well, I don't know what I'm going to have with it just yet, but I definitely need to start out with this. I'm just getting ready to put me together a smoothie. Might even make a mushroom burger or something. I think I might make me a mushroom burger. So yeah, anyway, thank you all for vlogging with me. And don't forget to live a life that is victorious in Christ Jesus. No other ground. All other ground is sinking sand. You can set your sights, place your hope, and you make Jesus your foundation forevermore. God bless you as you do. All right, this is your girl Saida signing out for now. Bye bye.